How to use Amazon gift card to buy another gift card. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome and get logged into your Amazon account. As you do so, you will see a page like this, and here tap on search Amazon and type in gift card. As you do so, you will see various gift cards. Choose the one that you would like to purchase. This page, select your amount. You can also write in the message if you would like. Enter the email of recipient. Enter the quantity and date to be sent. Once done, tap on to buy now. And at the next page, you will be required to select a payment method, enter all your card details, and that way you can buy Amazon gift card. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.